no, not again. After Effects has frozen all my computer. The graphics card has crashed and it's just stuck. Don't worry, there's a quick fix. And for me, what's really annoying is it's so simple but I didn't spot it. Adobe Community Forum user Audrey posted this comment recently. Go to Preferences, Import, and uncheck Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. I'm still trying to work out what the underlying issue is, but for me with Windows 11 and a semi-decent Nvidia GPU, the problem was switching to File Explorer to find assets to drag into AE, only for AE to freeze, and then the whole of Windows to lock up for a couple of minutes until the GPU restarts. It's just gone away. This might not solve it for you, but I hope it does.